everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to view the cost voucher posted but invoice not created report in Fresa application. Initially, we have login to your Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to My Reports module. In the search column, we have to select the cost voucher posted but invoice not created report. Now, click the report. Here, the report will be displayed the screen with column job number, shipment number, BLM XIM flag, department, origin, destination, sale, cost, salesperson. In this report, the purchase invoice has been generated, but the invoice not created list can be viewed. We can download the report by clicking on download button. Hope this video will be helpful for you to view the cost voucher posted but invoice not created in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.